Hey there, if you want to know more about having this as a teenage age, you're on the right spot, bruh. You are on the right spot. What you will do for me right now is just click on the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Without no further ado, let's get into it. What's up, YouTube? If you're new to my channel, as I said from the beginning, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Give this a thumbs up and make me reach 1,000 subs, guys. You are just this close to 1,000 subscribers now. Please tell your friends and family about my channel. So today's topic is all about how to become huge as a teenager, man. Like as a 17-year-old dude, man. Look at me. I ain't playing. I ain't joking around. You wanna see more? See? So I'm playing around, but if you wanna see more, just click on the subscribe button. First and first, actually we have 5 things. So first is dedication. Yeah, you heard me. Dedication. If you're not dedicated to working out, you can't get this kind of physique. That's number one. You can't get this kind of physique. Cause I have so many people that told me that yeah, once they see my body, they wanna like get into working out or something like that. Cause I'm pretty massive. You can't joke with me. Don't play with me, bro. I'm pretty massive. But they will first work out the first day, second day, third day. When I ask them why they don't work out anymore, they say actually they have like a sore pain or something. Bruh, that's what I passed through to get this kind of physique, man. I don't fuck around. Some people just tell me that yeah, they're working out before when they're younger. Whoa, I don't give a fuck. If you don't work out, man, you work out for your own self, man. You work out for your own good. Like you wanna have a good physique. Especially everyone wanna have a good physique for the beach, summer, whatever they wanna do. But they don't wanna get into the gym. I was gonna come and say, man, everybody wanna have big muscle but don't wanna lift any fucking heavy ass weight. Man, I don't joke like that, man. So firstly, dedication. And second part is the nutrient. Yeah, nutrient. Because if you go keeping on working out at the gym and you are not getting your proper calories in, you are not getting your proper protein into your body, you're just working out for nothing, man. You're just like losing weight. Let me just put it like that. Because yeah, it's just like losing weight, just going to the gym, but you are trying to get huge muscles, but you are not taking the nutrients into your body. That's, bro, it can't fucking work, man. It can't work. Because as you work out, man, you're just destroying your muscles. You're destroying it. Like it's just like a sponge. You know, when you pour water into a sponge, it's actually increase. But yeah, it's actually increase. So the way you work out, as you're working out, the muscles is tearing, like it's tearing apart. So your muscle need protein to like form, gather everything together and get bigger and get stronger. But unfortunately, if you don't give your body enough calories and protein it needs and the nutrients it needs, it can't get bigger and can't get stronger. It's just like working out for nothing or just working out for calisthenics. Well, some people do that, or if you want about to get into your show, you can cut off, yeah, something like that, or you can bulk up and cut. But you got to get a nutrient in. Thirdly is the gym itself. As I said in the beginning, man, the gym itself. Without working out, man, you're just like sitting down telling me you want to have a big muscle, but you are not getting the work in. Bruh, you're just deceiving yourself, man. You're just fucking deceiving yourself, man. You can't get that kind of physique like that. This, I work really hard for it. I don't joke around in the gym. I don't lift every weight for nothing, man. I will lift for this body, man. See that? I live for that, man. I don't work out for no reason, man. And I do it for you guys too. Cause actually, I wanna become a social media fitness influencer. Because I know you guys, without you guys help and without God help, man, I can't do that. So please and please, the way you can support me right now is to just click down that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and get notified anytime I upload new video. And guys, comment down below if I like these to post, because I don't actually know how these to post right now. So you can comment down below and tell me whatever you want to say. Say this to upload anything, man, anything you want. I'm gonna do apart from arm wrestling, cause I don't have really actually have time for arm wrestling, but I can create another channel for only arm wrestling alone. But this channel is for workouts and other things. And I have another channel. Yeah, it's called Fiti. FITY. Fiti. It's all about home workouts. You guys can check right now and check out that about the channel. You can. It's all about home workouts. I just started the channel a week ago. It doesn't get enough views I actually expect for me, so I'm like trying to blow that up, and this one too I'm trying to blow this one up too. So guys, please and please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Yeah. And thirdly, man, about the workout, enjoy. Yeah, enjoy, man. Enjoy the body fitness, man. And actually you need more sleep. I almost forget about that. Actually, you need sleep, because once you work out, you take the proper protein you're supposed to take in. Your body needs rest to recover, because without recovering, your muscle can repair. Your body needs some rest, at least 7 hours in a day or 7 hours a night, whatever you want to do. But at least in a day, you have to take a nap for 7 hours straight for the muscle to recover and for the protein to get its working to repair the muscle, so it's gonna get bigger and get stronger. Yeah, that's almost everything, if I'm not missing any other thing. Nah, just kidding, man. That's whatever you want to do, bro. But actually, started working out probably a year ago now. Yeah, a year. And I started working out in a gym, but not a standard gym. It's like a local gym, something like that. Yeah, but I don't know if you will see it in my channel, like the other video. Then just go scroll down, see the video how to have biceps, other bodies. You will see the gym I actually work on. It's not a standard gym, man. I don't have enough money, but I know you guys can help me. You guys can support me, but I don't have enough money to like go to a proper gym, other stuff like that. But actually, you can see the work I put in, even if it's local gym, even if it's not a standard gym. But I always try my best, try to do things step by step, other stuff like that too. So we've come up to the end of this video. If you're new to this channel, please and please subscribe to my channel, give videos a thumbs up. We're on the road to 1K, man. Let's just get this 1K happen, man. Without no further ado, I'll catch you guys in the next YouTube video. Peace.